Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see charts, pie charts, and some different chart options which are available in Excel. Myself, Omkar Desai, and till now we have seen different options in Excel like different tabs, different basic functions, few advanced functions, and now since we are towards the end of our series, we have seen some advanced functions like VLOOKUP, and in the previous section, as we have seen it for pivot table. In this particular video, we are going to look after some basic charts, some examples of chart tables, and some different types of charts. So without wasting, let's get started with the Excel. So as we have said it for different videos earlier, we have prepared a reading material for this video as well. So as you can see, we have a reading material here wherein you'll get to know how to prepare a data set, then how to provide a vertical axis, how to provide a horizontal axis, and how to have a chart with it, and how to create a simple chart to an advanced chart. So I'm not reading through this as of now. Like this particular sheet will be attached with this video in a link given below. You can go through this this particular sheet later. For now, let's just take this data and create our own table. I'm creating a new sheet and pasting the data here. So let me clear out the filter. Done. And here. So this is the data, and I want to create a charts from here. So what I'll have to do is, first of all, select the range, come over insert tab, and in chart section, you have different charts. Like you have recommended charts, then you have the bar charts, you have line charts, you have pie charts, and some different charts. Like we can see at least, we'll see at least one of each. Coming to the 2D charts. So what I did is, I just clicked on this and I selected this first item. You can see the x-axis and the y-axis. It goes on increasing. Like the first, like there are only one item. There's only one item for the x-axis. So this two chart option is not feasible for our data. But just to give you an example, like for 1 year we have it like this single thing, and for the other, like this is the actual count which is getting increased, or which is getting varying up. So this is how we this is how we have for the data, like the year and the conference attendance. You can edit this as well. So this is how you do it. You can edit the chart title. Say, I want to give the data. This is how you give it. If you wish to give some other name to it, I'll add some other chart. So you can see it's a series 1 and series 2. I'll add something more. You can see if you just hover over it, select the data first and have a look at it. This is how you do it. So these are all the charts which we have it in this particular thing. Recommended charts is like, see, if we have a line chart, we can have, so what this recommended chart gives us is, depending on our data, it gives us how this data can be well explained in a chart. So this is how it is in every year format, our conference attendance. So if we wish to have some more, okay, before that, before going for some more, let me show you one more thing. And here you can have different themes. With here you can see you have the count of this which is present over here as well on the chart. We have different shades. We have many more. And if you don't like any one of it, you can create your own style depending on your own color and your own interest. So this is one part of chart. So this we call this as a line chart. Let's have one more. Before that, we need to select the range. Let's have this particular chart. So you can see we have multiple charts here. We'll take out. So you can see this is like year and the conference attendance, which is on the past section. Again, as we had it for line charts, we have it different options here for the themes or for the colors. So depending on your choice, you can select it. The next available chart option is a scatter plot. So let me just let me select it again so that new chart will be created. Scatter chart. So again, this won't have any bars, or this will just be a plot. And again, we have the similar kind of things. Next is we have a fill chart, or which we call it as a stack chart. Let me name it. Line chart. Bar chart. And then here it is, scatter chart. Here we have stack chart. Okay, so again, we have different options over here for this particular chart as well. Styles. The next chart available here is a pie chart, which is majorly being used at different places now. It here. We have different style options. Let me delete it and update, create it once. Okay. Pie chart. So you can see we have different options, like here you can give the percentage of it out of 100. So pie chart is all about a percentage. It divides this, it makes a grand total of it, and it takes out a percentage of every section. We have many options, like let's select this. This looks good. Next option we have it is, let's select it again, insert and recommended charts. Yeah, Pareto. Here you can see in first 2 years or in first 3 years, we had a increase in data, and then we had a decrease. So that's why it is shown like this. So this Pareto word comes out for that reason. So like this particular chart looks good and provides more details. So this is how we can add different charts to it. Apart from this, we can add some 3D charts as well, or 3D maps as well. Yeah, so for now, we don't have any live data for it to have it, but it's on the same lines. Like the one we did it for here, we can do it for 3D maps as well, like this, the line charts and the column charts, or this win or loss charts. So these charts we usually have it in some stock data, stock market data. So you can try that data once if you wish to see the win or loss data or win or loss chart. So that's all we have for this particular thing. We have created a tutorial for this thing, like how to create different charts. The one which we have created for, like the one which we have created for pivots, you can see different options we have it for pivot, or sorry, for charts. And how do we do it? It's from pie charts and beyond pie charts, what else we can do. So this material will be available with this video in a link given below. Just go through it. It's quite straightforward. Yeah, that's all. So that's all we have for this particular video. So thank you guys. And for the next topic, we'll be covering the fetching content from other sources. So thank you.